Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster, $3,300, Racine, Wisconsin. The 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster comes from the final years of Harley's legendary Ironhead era, a period celebrated for its unmistakable V-twin sound, rugged styling, and endless customization possibilities. Whether kept close to stock or transformed into a chopper, these motorcycles continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate authentic, old-school American craftsmanship and timeless character. This Roadster has been customized with a raked frame that gives it a classic chopper appearance while maintaining dependable performance. The seller states that it runs strong, starts reliably, shifts smoothly, and features good tires, working lights, and a clean title. For buyers seeking a vintage Harley with distinctive style and plenty of personality, this Roadster offers an enjoyable classic ready for its next owner. Number 2. 1970 BSA Royal Star 500, $3,750, Boone, Iowa. The 1970 BSA Royal Star 500 reflects the golden age of British motorcycling, combining classic styling with the smooth performance of its parallel twin engine. BSA motorcycles from this era remain highly regarded for their straightforward mechanics, enjoyable riding experience, and lasting appeal among collectors who appreciate traditional British engineering. According to the seller, this Royal Star has been carefully maintained with clean chrome, rust-free bodywork, a newer Amal carburetor, and a reliable Pazon electronic ignition. It is described as an easy-starting and dependable motorcycle that has performed well over the years. For enthusiasts looking for a well-sorted British classic, this Royal Star presents a very appealing opportunity. Number 3. 1977 BMW 100/7, $3,450, New Berlin, Wisconsin. The 1977 BMW 100/7 is one of the most respected airhead motorcycles ever produced, admired for its smooth boxer twin engine, dependable engineering, and comfortable long-distance touring capability. These classic BMW models continue to be popular with riders who appreciate refined performance, timeless styling, and exceptional durability. Showing 32,941 miles, this example is described as starting easily, running great, and being well maintained throughout its life. The seller notes that it performs confidently on both highways and winding roads, making it an enjoyable vintage motorcycle for regular riding. For buyers seeking a dependable German classic, this R100/7 offers impressive value and everyday usability. Number 4. 1979 Honda CB750K, $2,500, Bay City, Michigan. The 1979 Honda CB750K continues the legacy of one of the most influential motorcycles ever built, combining a smooth inline four engine with dependable reliability and timeless styling. Decades after its introduction, the CB750 remains one of the most respected classic Japanese motorcycles among collectors and riders around the world. This well-cared-for example is described as a strong runner and includes a fairing, backrest, and saddlebags that are included but not currently installed. The stock seat has been professionally recovered, with the seller noting that the rear tire is the only item needing attention. Overall, this CB750K offers an affordable opportunity to own a true Japanese motorcycling icon.
Number 5. 1965 Royal Enfield G2, $1,400. Onstead, Michigan. The 1965 Royal Enfield G2 represents the simple, durable engineering that helped establish Royal Enfield as one of Britain's best-known motorcycle manufacturers. With its classic single-cylinder design and vintage styling, the G2 continues to attract enthusiasts who appreciate traditional British motorcycles and straightforward mechanical simplicity. The seller believes this example is a 500cc model, which is also reflected on the title, although the exact displacement has not been confirmed. It reportedly needs only a new battery and general cleanup before returning to regular use. For collectors seeking an affordable and increasingly uncommon British classic, this Royal Enfield offers excellent restoration potential.
Number 6. 1975 Yamaha RD250, $2,900, Dalton, Georgia. The 1975 Yamaha RD250 is one of the most iconic lightweight two-stroke motorcycles of its era, earning a reputation for lively performance, agile handling, and an unmistakable exhaust note. Highly regarded by vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts, the RD250 continues to attract riders who appreciate its sporty character and classic 1970s styling. According to the seller, this example runs great and has received several important upgrades, including a resealed engine, rebuilt wheels with stainless steel spokes, and progressive suspension components. It also comes with a Georgia title, making it an appealing option for buyers seeking a well-maintained vintage two-stroke that's ready to enjoy. Number 7. 1976 Moto Guzzi V-Series, $2,500, Mentor, Ohio. The 1976 Moto Guzzi V-Series showcases the distinctive engineering that has made Moto Guzzi one of Italy's most respected motorcycle manufacturers. Featuring a transverse V-twin engine and shaft drive, these motorcycles are admired for their unique design, dependable performance, and unmistakable character that continues to appeal to vintage European motorcycle enthusiasts. This example shows 25,631 miles and is equipped with dual front disc brakes, a shaft drive drivetrain, and a brand new battery. The seller also notes that it comes with a clean title and is priced with room for negotiation. For anyone looking to own an affordable classic Italian motorcycle, this Moto Guzzi offers plenty of charm and individuality. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS850, $3,200, Belpre, Ohio. The 1982 Suzuki GS850 is widely respected for its smooth inline-4 engine, reliable performance, and comfortable touring capabilities. As one of Suzuki's most durable classic motorcycles, the GS850 remains a favorite among riders who appreciate dependable engineering and timeless Japanese styling. According to the seller, this exceptionally clean example has received extensive maintenance, including new tires, rebuilt carburetors, fresh fork seals, new plugs, battery, and fluids. Everything is reported to be working properly, and the motorcycle is described as ready for the road. For buyers seeking a well-maintained vintage Suzuki, this GS850 appears ready to be enjoyed immediately. Number 9. 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R Bobber, $6,000, Newport, Ohio. The 1967 Triumph Bonneville T120R is one of the most celebrated British motorcycles ever produced, admired for its 650cc parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and outstanding place in motorcycling history. Well-preserved Bonnevilles continue to be highly sought after by collectors who appreciate classic British performance and craftsmanship.
This bobber-style example features just 145 miles on a rebuilt top end, Amal carburetors, matching engine and frame numbers, and a clean title. Aside from minor cosmetic imperfections in the paint, the seller describes the motorcycle as being in great condition for its age. It offers an excellent opportunity to own a distinctive and highly collectible Triumph. Number 10. 1972 Honda SL175, $800, North Aurora, Illinois. The 1972 Honda SL175 is a lightweight dual-purpose motorcycle that helped establish Honda's reputation for building dependable and versatile small-displacement machines. Its simple engineering, classic styling, and easy-to-maintain design continue to make the SL175 a popular project among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This project bike shows 8,500 miles and includes a clean title, refreshed seat, older paint restoration, LED lighting, and tires that are still in good condition. The seller states that it is not currently running after an attempted carburetor replacement and will require further troubleshooting. At just $800, it offers an affordable restoration opportunity for anyone looking to bring a classic Honda back to life.